I'm Amanda Smith. I'm a paper artist, and I've been working with paper for about 15 years now professionally, but probably I've been playing with paper since I was about 4 years old as well. I was really drawn to this Samsung Small World project because it's really nice that a brand is also trying to consider all parts of their production and not just see their packaging as something secondary and something just to be thrown away. Part of the charm about this project is, you know, when a little kid is, say, holding this paper bird, they'll be imagining something so much more, and it's nice to be able to design and make a few elements to help create a small world that will grow into something much larger in the children's imagination. I'm hoping this project helps inspire people to then look at packaging and keep playing with it and turning it into new elements, and with just a couple of little cuts and a few folds here and there, and give a new life to something you might not have necessarily considered keeping before. So we're just more mindful about waste and what we're throwing away.